What's going on, guys? Alan here. Welcome back to the channel. On our way to get the new tires for the F-150. And the video starts right now. Excited?
Yeah.
Me too. Really hoping they handle a lot better on the highway. They should. Here we are! Alright guys, so they're going to take an hour and a half to work on the truck. So it's like, what are we going to do? Ha, look at that. I'm a Menards guy, but Lowe's will definitely work. So here we go. Alright, I think we found the cart.
I found it.
So she is loving the cart, right, Belle? Loving it?
Yeah.
Got a problem though. No spot for my Coke Zero. Nothing.
You mean Coke? You mean Sprite?
Hanging out for dear life. Yeah, Sprite Zero. Sorry, Sprite Zero. So right now I'm saving money for a tonneau cover, and it's so hard because you save your pennies and it takes so long. And then when you're browsing through Lowe's, you come across something like this. This thing is amazing. It's just sweet, and that would be great in my garage to get rid of the other two toolboxes, and it's not that much. Alright, so sadly, in and out of Lowe's, didn't buy anything, but walking past this XLT, and they got the same little black emblems on the side that I got. Very nice truck.
So I thought it was
Back to Discount Tire we go to wait out the remainder of the 30 minutes here, and a pretty sweet car coming up here. Looks like a Genesis. It's not way off. It is actually a Subaru. Not quite sure what it is, but it's pretty nice if you ask me. And just like that, guys, it's a week later. Why is it a week later? My truck was in the shop, the dealership specifically, again for 5 days, so I couldn't finish this video. Why was it there? You guessed it, because of those. So, my brand new motor on the driver's side on my power steps went out. So, they had to wait for another motor from Detroit, but I have it back now, thank goodness. And now I can finish this video on my tires. Without further ado, here they are. These are Nitto's mean version of their all-terrain tire. These are the Nitto Exo Grapplers. And these are an all-season. These are the same size, 295, 55, 20s that I had. Very aggressive tread, once again, but the compound is different. They're very aggressive, not as aggressive as the Ridge Grappler, but you can see, I mean, they're just, tell you what, they look close to being the same, but they're not. So here on the sides, once again on these, you can get an aggressive side facing out or the non-aggressive. Obviously I picked the aggressive. just so the truck wouldn't look too much different with these on versus the Ridge Grapplers. So I have driven this now in cold and warm on the highway up to 85, wet, dry, and these things are amazing on my truck anyway versus the other ones that I had. They don't pull, they don't sway like the other ones I had. You know, maybe I just had a bum tire on one of them, I don't know, but Discount Tire made it right and swapped them out, and I absolutely love these guys. So there isn't a whole lot of options out there with when you get up to a size that I wanted, the 295, 55, 20s. There's not a whole lot of options out there. This one was one of them, and I have to say that I absolutely love it. So if you're looking for another alternative, the ride is more comfortable too, and my gas mileage is a little bit better. So if you're looking for a nice aggressive tread, they're not too noisy on the highway. They are a little bit noisy. You get that high pitched hum, but I mean, look at them. They're not bad at all. So, and they were a little bit cheaper than the Ridge Grapplers. I think the Ridge Grapplers were $321. These are $309 currently. So. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you have not yet, hit that like button. And also, if you like this content and enjoy it, hit that subscribe button, that notification bell. You will be notified every time I upload something, which is every 5 to 7 days. Thank you once again for supporting my channel. More content to come later.